With Smart, you get real people, real answers, and support that goes beyond. In the past 35 years, we've supported over 65 million teachers and students worldwide in 3.3 million classrooms, 450,000 meeting rooms, and 175 countries. That's over 52 million lessons, 16 million activities and games, and over 1 million hours of thought leadership and training delivered. Behind every number is a network working to make adoption effortless, backed by Smart dedicated support and adoption teams to ensure every customer has the tools, training, and guidance to succeed from day one and every day after that. Our teams combine proactive outreach, fast resolution times, and expert-backed solutions to keep your technology working without disruption. For IT leaders, our service relationship management provides clear visibility into performance, enables proactive optimization, and issue resolution before it can affect your classrooms or meeting spaces. Challenges are a part of every technology journey, but how they're handled makes all the difference. Where others give you chatbots and hold music, we give you research-based pedagogy, expert training, and human support that keeps your momentum going. When you contact us, you're connected to trained specialists who know our products inside and out. People who've worked alongside educators, IT teams, and administrators, and understand the real-world challenges you face. Our team doesn't just follow a script. They listen, diagnose, and solve problems quickly, often on the first call. And if the solution requires deeper expertise, cases are escalated directly to product engineers or regional specialists. No bouncing between departments, no explaining your issue twice. With a 94% satisfaction rate for support calls, we're among the highest in the industry. Because service is more than just fixing problems, it's about keeping you moving forward. Whether your display is in warranty or not, our team is here with troubleshooting and market-specific solutions that work for you. We carefully select empowered local partners to ensure your support is fast, familiar, and tailored to your region. Prefer to solve things on your own? With Smart, you're never on your own. We've built a world-class, multi-language self-support hub, complete with guided resources, searchable documentation, and training content so you can troubleshoot and learn with confidence. Our YouTube channel gives you instant access to step-by-step videos covering everything from unboxing and installation to advanced features and integrations. Help is always just a click away. And when you're ready to go deeper, the Smart Academy is your gateway to professional learning. Available 24/7, it offers free, self-paced courses, certifications, and role-based learning paths for educators, IT administrators, and channel partners. From webinars and classroom guides to interactive workshops, every resource is designed to help you get the most out of your smart solutions, whether you're teaching, training, or managing the technology. At the end of the day, technology isn't just about hardware specs or software features, it's about what happens after it's in your hands. For an IT leader, that means knowing your investment will work exactly as intended, stay reliable over time, and come with a support network that solves problems before they interrupt your day. With Smart, you get more than a display. You get a global community, a dedicated adoption team, and a service ecosystem designed to keep your classrooms, meeting rooms, and teams running without disruption. To go beyond the expected, learn more at smarttech.com.